Welcome! In today's video, we're going to discuss how to turn off call notifications on the Messenger app for PC. If you find those call alerts distracting and want a quieter experience while using Messenger, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the simple steps to silence those notifications. So let's get started. First, open your Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the settings. Once the app is open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with various options. Now that you've clicked on your profile picture, you'll see a list of options. Look for the one labeled Preferences. This is where you can manage your notification settings and customize your Messenger experience. Inside Preferences, you'll find several different settings related to notifications. To turn off call notifications specifically, you'll want to look for the option that says Notification Sounds. Once you locate that option, simply disable it. By doing this, you'll stop receiving those call notification sounds while using Messenger, allowing you to focus without distractions. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off call notifications on your Messenger app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tricks. Enjoy your quieter Messenger experience.